treatments for the most common mouth problems. Sores, gingivitis, cavities, plaque, weak teeth and oral problems can greatly worsen your quality of life, causing a lot of pain and significant dentist expenses. In this article, we will explain the main reasons for suffering from common mouth problems as well as a few simple treatments to prevent and treat them with natural ingredients such as natural as oil, baking soda, thyme, and seawater. Possible causes. Diet. This is the main cause of common mouth problems, because your digestive system is reflected in your mouth. When your system does not work well or is overworked, it causes an excess in acid that can alter the natural pH in your mouth. This will cause gingivitis, sores, or make it easier to get cavities or build up plaque. That is why the main treatment for common mouth problems will come from a balanced and healthy diet, rich in fruits and fresh vegetables, nuts, legumes, whole grains, etc. White sugar. White sugar deserves to be mentioned separately because it is a venom to your teeth and overall health. We recommend eliminating it completely from your diet and watching out for those foods that contain it. Tobacco and coffee. Tobacco and coffee make your teeth dirty, alter pH, cause plaque, and decalcify them. Poor oral hygiene. Hygiene is essential. Not only with your toothbrush, but also by cleaning your tongue. There are specific cleaners, and between your teeth, with dental floss. Chemical products. The toothpaste that chew frequently by have ingredients to make a lot of foam that can be aggressive to your mouth pH and can worsen problems like gingivitis or sores. We recommend buying it in herbal stores or natural product stores or preparing your own homemade toothpaste. Below, we will explain 4 natural treatments for preventing and treating common mouth problems. Thyme infusion. Thyme is a medicinal plant with antiseptic properties that since the old days have been used for mouth problems like sores, injuries, or gingivitis. You can drink the infusion every day, but we especially recommend gargling it. In order to prepare the infusion, boil a liter of mineral water with 60 grams of thyme for 5 minutes and then let sit for another 5 minutes. When the infusion is lukewarm, you can gargle it, repeating it a few times a day until you see an improvement. A pinch of baking soda. As we said, most common mouth problems happen due to excess acidity in your saliva, which is caused by various factors. Therefore, a way to combat this acidity is by alkalizing it directly, applying minimal doses of baking soda. We recommend buying a small container that you can carry around the whole day and put baking soda in it. Wet your finger a few times a day to get a little bit of baking soda and put it onto your tongue. It is important to do this a few times and in very small doses so that the alkalization develops as naturally as possible without altering your mouth's pH. This remedy will serve you well for any of the aforementioned problems, even for preventing cavities. Seawater for remineralizing your teeth. Your teeth often get weak due to a lack of minerals, which is overall due to a poor diet. This makes them more vulnerable to any disease. In order to avoid this, you should consume calcium but also many other minerals, which is why we recommend seawater to gargle every day. You can find it in herbal or dietary stores, and even in some supermarkets. If you have an ocean close by, you can go there to pick it up directly, even if it is out of season. Early in the morning, fill a bottle with it, avoiding the top layer of water where residue accumulates. Another alternative is mixing pure sea salt with natural water. Swigs of oil. This old Ayurvedic treatment is ideal for mouth problems but also for your entire digestive tract because it allows you to remove toxins and cleans your mouth deeply. We recommend it especially for mouth infections, gum problems, dental plaque, gingivitis, discolored teeth, and loose teeth. You will just need sunflower or sesame seed oil.